Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error 0x80010135 path too long while extracting zip files on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, here's the thing. While other channels and websites are suggesting a load of other solutions, they will not work. I'll give you the easiest solution. Search for 7-zip in the search bar and open 7-zip. Go to download the app, select download, and then finally click on open. Click on install and let it install. Okay, click on close. Now let's say that we need to extract this folder and we were facing the issue. Right click on it. Instead of clicking on extract all, select 7-zip and then select extract here. Okay, and then click on yes to all. This will fix the problem for you. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.